Okay, Anas, I'm going to ask you some questions about part one, IELTS speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, sir.
Our topic is family. Okay, my first question is that how many people are there in your family?
I have five members. I have two siblings and parents.
Okay,
I have two sisters and my parents. One sister is older than me, and one more sister is younger than me.
right.
One sister, my elder sister is, and I are like chalk and cheese, and my
Okay,
younger sister and I are like two peas in a pot. And I have first my father. My father is a teacher, and he is very honest person, and he is very kind and humble in nature. And my mother
no, 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 no. Okay, okay, continue, continue, continue.
my mother's name is Shabina. He is, I think, 39 years old. She is a homemaker, and she teaches us good manners. That's all.
See, whatever you said, I think it sounds pretty good, but you need to add some. Let's you mentioned brother and sister. Instead of saying brother and sister, you could have said siblings. I have got one younger sibling and one older siblings. Okay,
Yes.
like that, inshallah. Now, do you get along with your family? It means are you comfortable with your family members, like with your sister, your siblings, and your father, your mother? Like, do you get along with them very easily?
Uh, well, to be very honest, sir, I along with my family.
I get along with my
I
family
get
members.
along.
See, how do you answer this question, sir? To be very honest, sir, I get along with my all the family members. Having said that, we do have sibling rivalry. As I told you earlier, my younger sibling and I are like chalk and cheese. We are not same. We think differently. So we do have sibling rivalry. Having said that, I do love my sister.
Yes.
Something like that. Okay. Next thing, which member of your family are you closest to?
Uh, well, sir, this is very grueling question for me, because my family is mean to the world, mean world to me, and I love my father as well as I love my father. But if I had to choose, I choose my mother.
I would choose my mother.
I would choose my mother, because my mother is homemaker, and she always stay at home, and I spend my quality time with my mother. To answer your question, my mother is very closest to me.
Very good. How much time do you spend with your family?
I spend time with my family during meal. Uh,
See. Sir, it depends. What do you mean by time? If you mean time, quality time, so I spend my quality time with my parents during the meal. If we talk about time, I spend 24/7, right? So something like that. So you can start with quality time. I spend my quality time during.
I spend my quality time with my family members during meal, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Okay. Could you possibly tell me something about your father in English?
Uh, well, sir, my father's name is Irfan.
Okay.
He is 39 years old, and he is very kind and humble in nature. He is a teacher in TMC school. Uh, he has been teaching since 2003, and I am the spitting image of my father.
You are the spitting image of your father. Oh,
Yes, sir.
that's great.
And my father is highly interested in to gain knowledges, and he
To gain knowledge and right.
to gain knowledge, and he interested in languages.
Yes.
Last year he got best teacher award.
Okay. Are you belong to a nuclear family or immediate sorry, nuclear family or extended family?
Well, I belong to nuclear family.
Right. Do you visit your grandparents, your maternal grandparent or paternal grandparents? Do you visit them?
I visit uh, my grandparents.
Okay. How often do you visit your grandparents? Do you visit your grandparents once in a year, twice in a year, or once in a month?
I visit my grandparents thrice in a week, thrice
Right.
in a year.
Okay. That's it. Okay, inshallah. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.